Hi, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul messages. Today I'll be reading energy with a pendulum for chakras. I'll be using tarot and an oracle to close the message. Friendly reminder that this is a general energy reading, always with love, hoping to connect to those who would benefit from these messages. With that said, I've premeditated and shuffled the decks, both of them. And with that said, I will move on to chakras. We'll start with the crown. Third eye. Throat. Heart. Solar plexus. Thank you. Sacral. And root. Thank you. Okay, so solar plexus, it reads here, the solar plexus is the third chakra and it's located below the chest. It represents self-esteem, pleasure, willpower, and personal responsibility. Imbalanced attributes would be low self-esteem, control issues, manipulative tendencies, and misuse of power. Again, it is known as a third chakra, and it's located right under the chest, like I said, right above your belly button. And the solar plexus stores energies like physically, like your stomach, liver, pancreas, gallbladder, spleen, kidneys, small intestines, large intestine, and adrenal glands. And that's like your core, like your core muscles. So I would suggest that you please give energy to that. Focus on strengthening that area of you. Be mindful of what you're consuming, as far as like foods and all of that stuff. Like, be mindful of eating a lot of fruits and vegetables that are, easy to digest, that are things that are alive and that can bring you energy. Not to eat too heavy, not too much processed foods. And just be mindful, because this is known as your wisdom power. So your stomach has its own intelligence, So with that said, words which hold relevance to this particular chakra in regards to our energy, our own vibrations, is our self-esteem, is our confidence, our willpower, our vitality, even our sense of humor. When you laugh or when you cry, you tend to feel it in your stomach. So be mindful of things that are stored here, like our happiness, our positiveness, our warmth in many senses, like I also suggest to please do your own research in how to balance that particular area of yourself. I am not claiming to be a doctor or any some sort, or to follow exactly what I'm saying. I am not at all one, but these are energies that have been studied and have been, in some shape or form, been proven to be stored in that particular areas of you. So if you're feeling a little lethargic, not a lot of energy, your creativity is low, like your sense of humor is just kind of like, well, I don't know, I feel like crying a lot, or, I'm not really out there, again, wanting just to sleep, or just anything regarding to your energy, to your vitality, your movement, then you want to focus on what you're consuming and how is your light not, beaming as bright. Why is it not? I meant. So, yes, I hope that this message is of service for all and that you do your own research regarding to your solar plexus chakra and how one can bring that back into balance. Okay? Thank you so much. I will be moving on to tarot. And again, I pre-shuffled and meditated on your energy, so I will be pulling 3 plus the end of the deck for the overall. Mind, body, spirit. Okay. So for your mind, you got the 2 of Wands. For your body, you got the Knight of Wands. And for your spirit, you got the 2 of Pentacles. And for the overall, you got the High Priestess, which I see 3 2s here. Interesting. 2, 2, 2. And you're right here in the middle in the physical. We'll start with the overall. The overall High Priestess is such a beautiful energy because she speaks about your intuition, about your higher knowing, or even your subconscious, like your dream state. She speaks about mystery, subconscious, like I said, secrets. She's very reflective. She brings to light that's been hidden. And I have that essence of that feeling of like your own spirituality, your own soul, your own warmth. It's as if you're in a crossroads. It's as if you're in a place where you don't know what to believe or feel. And I think that's what needs to bring into balance, like not only does the tarot verify it as well, here in your mind, it's like it wants you to bring your actions into balance, your planning, your how are you wanting to move your creativity. Wands are considered fire element. Your inspiration, creativity, action, ideas, your energy flow in these 2. It's also something to do with the wands are representative of fire and summer, like where everything is vital. So start preparing, start planning mentally, like what to bring into balance in order to have you move forward. Physically, it's speaking about the Knight of Wands. He is adventurous. He is energy. He is passion. He's impulsive, but yet again, he moves freely. He's a free-spirited. So, and I think that there's something to do with that. It wants you to plan and then just move like freely, like be in pursuit of. And it doesn't come easy. There's not a lot of growth at the beginning, but it's an initiation. It's a step forward. Spiritually, it wants you to really like hone down to your body, to your emotions, to your flow, again, your energy flow. How you're moving with creativity, with new passion for your own self, your own body, your own material needs. Pentacles, it's the body, it's material needs, it's your finances as well. But this card represents it all, like including your emotions. Walk with love. Look at his shoes. He's wearing green shoes. And speaking of previously about our solar plexus, the color is yellow, and yellow is a youthful color. It's a beautiful color of enthusiasm, of opportunity, of the sun. Again, vibrant. And so here there's the need to bring that out, but with a plan, with balance, with duality. The two represents balance, partnership, duality. It speaks about choices harmoniously, while still maintaining one's individuality more than anything. This is also the number of decision needing to be made, of bringing in honesty, truth to self, and how you're moving and what you're in pursuit of. In order to bring more energy, like I think that in order to feed your solar plexus, your vitality, your willpower, you need to start looking into what brings you a little something, like subconsciously there's a connection between what you're doing, and if something doesn't feel right, it will come to light. And you got to be able to let go, to release, in order to bring other things into balance and be able to move forward. Okay, I hope that this message is of resonance. I hope that you really listen to the High Priestess. Please do your research as well, okay, regarding even this particular energy, the High Priestess, because she is a major arcana and very wise. And I think it's very representative of where we are now. We're going into Pisces season, and a lot of things are moving, astrologically speaking. And for the next couple of months, I don't quote me exactly on how many, but I know that most of the eclipses will be in Virgo and in Pisces, and that says a lot, okay? So that we're going to be very much in our water and in our earth element within our own selves. So, and things are changing for a new foundation in regards just to that. So start focusing your energy back into yourself, into your in reflection of your inner, and to bring in balance. Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to move on to an oracle from the Soul Truth Self-Awareness by Brianne Hovey. Oh, okay. 2 of them. Am I getting enough rest to restore my energy and fully show up to my life? ? You are the asset. The body is your vehicle. Notice how your body is feeling, how much sleep you're getting, and what you can do to help your body rest. Today's soul action: take a bath, put on some lavender essential oils, go to bed ridiculously early, or give yourself a time out today. Notice your body thanking you. Today's mantra: the more I give myself permission to rest, the more I can contribute. How beautiful. Oh my God, totally. What can I do to make a difference? ? What keeps you up at night? ? What makes you cringe when you think about it, such that every once of you... Okay, sorry. What makes you cringe when you think about it, such that every ounce of you screams, no more? Where can you create purpose out of your pain? ? Today's soul action: make a difference in someone's life today, big or small, because all of it makes a difference. Thank you so much, everyone. Please subscribe, like. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. I give you all thanks, and I send you all the best of vibes. Ciao.